Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by confirming your Windows 11 build and any pending updates. This helps avoid version conflicts. Next, open Task Manager and restart Windows Explorer, then restart the Windows Search Service. This often restores the UI fast. Once done, run an SFC scan to repair corrupted system files and a DISM check to restore component store health. These steps reset the UI layer and repair underlying files, so the search UI can respond again without deeper intervention. Once the basic repairs complete, focus on the index. Open indexing options and pause indexing to prevent conflicts while you act. Then delete the current index and trigger a full rebuild from Control Panel. Rebuilding resolves missing or stale results. If you still see problems, use an elevated PowerShell to unregister and re-register the Search and Cortana app packages. This resets the search binary and its permissions. Make sure to allow the rebuild time. Larger drives take longer to index fully. You finish by verifying whether the issue is profile-specific. Create a new local administrator account and test search there. A working search means your profile was corrupted. If problems persist system-wide, perform a clean boot to identify third-party interference. As a last safe option, run an in-place upgrade repair using Windows 11 installation media to repair system files without losing apps or data. If anything goes wrong, use the new admin account to revert changes and retry one step at a time to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.